हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो उन स्टूडेंट के लिए है जो बीकॉम ऑनर्स में है और सीए फाउंडेशन के लिए है। बिजनेस लॉ सब्जेक्ट है, इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट चैप्टर है। 22 मार्क्स का इससे क्वेश्चन आता है। पहला क्वेश्चन, नो कंसिडरेशन नो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कमेंट और state the exceptions to the rule on agreement without consideration is void. Second है, distinguish between wagering agreement and contract of insurance. Third है, X, Y and Z jointly borrowed 50,000 from A. The whole amount was repaid to A by Y. Decide in the light of the Indian Contract Act 1872 whether Y can recover the contribution between X and Z. Legal representatives of X are liable in case of death of X. अगर X का डेथ हो जाता है तो उसका जो लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है वो liable है. Y can recover the contribution from assets in case Z become insolvent. और अगर Z insolvent हो जाता है तो Y रिकवर कर सकता है कंट्रीब्यूशन को अपने एसेट से. 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिफाइन फ्रॉड वेदर मेयर साइलेंस इज फ्रॉड एज पर द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872. नेक्स्ट, डिस्कस द एसेंशियल ऑफ अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस एज पर द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872. एक्सप्लेन द टर्म कोercion एंड व्हाट आर द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ coercion अंडर द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872. Explain the meaning of quasi-contract. State the circumstances which are identified as quasi-contract by the Indian Contract Act 1872. Define an offer. Explain the essentials of valid offer. How an offer is different from invitation to offer. Explain the modes of revocation of offer as per the Indian Contract Act 1872. Define the term acceptance. Discuss the legal provision relating to communication of acceptance. What is consideration? Explain the legal rules regarding consideration under the Indian Contract Act 1872. Only a person who is party to a contract can sue on it. Explain the statement and describe its exceptions if any. Stranger to a contract cannot sue. However, in some cases, even a stranger to a contract may enforce a claim. Explain. A minor is not competent to contract. Nothing in the contract prevents him from making the other party bound to the minor. Discuss. What is wagering agreement? Describe the transaction which resembles with wagering transaction but are not valid. Discuss the effect of accepting performance from third person. Enumerate the person by whom a contract may be performed under the provision of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Examine with reason that the given statement is correct or incorrect. Minor is liable to pay for the necessary supply to him. The basic rule is that the promiser must perform exactly what he has promised to perform. जो वो प्रॉमिस किया है उसको वो परफॉर्म करना होगा. एक्सप्लेन स्टेटिंग द ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ पार्टीज टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. When a party to a contract has refused to perform or disabled himself from performing his promise in its entirety, the promise may put an end to the contract.